Today I'm going to show you the lighting program for the BlackBox. In the toolbar, you will find this icon. This is the QLC Plus program that we'll be using for the space. After clicking on it, we will select the Q Light Controller Plus button. Next, we will go here to open up our show file. We are going to click here on View Mode so that we can see which light we are working with. If you are in the black box, you can see which number corresponds to which light. Group 1 will go to light 1, Group 2 will go to light 2, and so forth. Before adding a color or strobe to our light, we first want to let our system know which light we want to work with. We will move the slider here with a light bulb to the intensity that you want. Then we will move a color slider or the strobe slider to get our desired effect. If we want to record this cue, we will go here to the record button. If we want to edit the fade in, fade out, or duration of the cue, we will go here. You can use the dial, the plus or minus sign, or simply just type it into the box. You can also use the tab button feature. However, sometimes this gets a little wonky and keeps giving you random values. So I suggest steering clear of it. If you want to name your cue, you'll go here and type in the name for it. Then simply exit out. Now, when editing your cue, this new mode will open up so that you can edit your cues here. What we want to do is go back to our view mode . Now, before playing the cue, we're going to make sure that all channels are reset. Just going over to this X button and resetting it. Then, we will simply press the Go button. To stop a cue, we will press this button. To go to another cue or a previous cue, you can press these arrow keys. Before exiting out of the program, make sure that all channels are reset and the playback is stopped. In general, please never mess with the Grandmaster slider or the blackout button. This can mess with the system if used improperly, so just as a safeguard, please don't select the item when using the lighting console. However, if we happen to accidentally select one, make sure that the blackout button is no longer selected and that the Grandmaster slider is at 100%. Please run through this checklist every time before exiting the program to ensure that everything has been powered off properly. Then you can go here to save as and save the show under your production's name. Let's say it's called Rainbow. Then you may exit out of the program. Then the next time you open up the program, you can just open up your file and work where you left off.